Welcome! If you're tired of getting broadcast channel messages from random accounts on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make sure you only receive broadcast channel messages from people you actually follow. This quick update will help you keep your notifications clean and relevant, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the icon, at the top right corner. Give that a tap to open up more options. Now, from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the controls to manage your Instagram experience. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications to open up a list of all the different alerts you can manage. Next, find and tap on Messages. Here, you'll see different options for controlling the types of message notifications you get. Scroll through until you spot Broadcast Channel Messages. This is the setting that controls notifications from broadcast channels. By default, you might be getting messages from everyone, but we want to change that. Tap on Broadcast Channel Messages and you'll see a few options. Select From People I Follow. This simple change ensures that you'll only get broadcast channel messages from accounts you actually follow, cutting out the noise from everyone else. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your Instagram notifications. Now you can enjoy updates from your favorite creators and friends without getting distracted by unwanted messages from accounts you don't follow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little notification cleanup too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience.